Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. A huge thank you to Native for sponsoring today's video. I just wanted to switch things up today and do a bit of a daily vlog. I haven't done a daily vlog in a really long time and I thought it would be fun to kind of just show you a more in-depth version of one of my days. I mean, all my days are a little bit different, but I thought it would be fun to take you guys along with me for a work day. So today is Monday, and personally I love my Mondays to be a very big get it done day. Last night before I went to bed, I planned out my day for today just in my bullet journal. So the main priorities for today is to finish my weekly vlog from last week, film this vlog of course, and then apart from that just emails, walk, grocery shop, but we will see how we go. I also really want to make baked oats for breakfast, but I have to wait till I do my grocery shopping before I can do that. So, but yeah, I'm gonna probably get some work done for the next half an hour, then we're gonna head out grocery shopping and we'll go from there. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna pause the editing for a little bit. Before I head off, I wanted to quickly show you guys how I organize my grocery shop. So we have this little whiteboard that just has the days of the week. So on a Sunday, I'll usually just say to Liam, what are you feeling like eating for dinners this week? And we'll both pick out a few meals. So for example, this week we're having butter chicken rissoles, chicken burrito bowls, spaghetti, and then one day of the weekend we'll have a barbecue, but we never know which nights we're going out or which nights we're staying in, so I kind of wrote it just across the weekend kind of period. And then underneath each of the dinners I'll write which ingredients we need, and then I'll tick off all of the ones that we already have. So for example, we have heaps of rice, so if rice is in one of the dishes I can just tick it off. And if we don't have one of the ingredients, so in the chicken burrito bowls we need tomato, avocado and lettuce, I'll then write those into my app on my phone that I use to do our grocery shopping, which is called, what is it called? Out of Milk. And I really love this app because it organizes all of the things you put in there into categories. So I can just see all of the fresh produce, all of the meat, all of the whatever, and it's so easy. We don't need a whole lot this week, so hopefully I'll be able to carry it all in by myself in one trip. And then obviously apart from the dinner ingredients, I'll just be like, hey Liam, what else do you need? He might be like, oh, I'm running out of eggs, or I need some more yogurt or whatever. And so I'll add those to the list, as well as things that I know I want to eat that we don't have, and we'll get that. But that's basically it. So let's go get our grocery shopping done. Here is a little grocery haul. I won't show you absolutely everything because I think it's just kind of boring. But we have yogurt, milk, bacon for the potato salad I'm going to make this weekend to go with our barbecue, and then just some lean beef mince. We didn't need to buy any chicken this week because we already had some in the freezer. Frozen broccoli, some choc chips, hummus, and this dip which we love. Almond milk, tuna, marinade, some crackers, mayo, bread, eggs, veggies, fruit. Yeah, there you go, self-explanatory. But I'm gonna put this all away, and then maybe I'll make those baked oats so we can put them in the oven and keep working while they cook. Alright guys, I'm gonna try and make some baked oats, but I'm following this recipe that's just on this TikTok. I'll try and link this person down below. Obviously, all credit to them, but this is what's going into it. I'll leave the recipe as well down below. I'm gonna put this in the oven now, and I think it takes 30 minutes to cook, so it's definitely not a quick breakfast. Not a lot of effort, just takes a while to bake, I guess. So it says to bake for 30 minutes on 190 degrees. So let's see how it goes. While I wait for my baked oats to bake. I did want to thank the sponsor of today's vlog, which is Native. If you guys didn't know, I have been using Native for, has it been over a year now? Definitely a long time. I actually just got a top up of all of my favorite scents. So these are all ones that I've used before, but I've just genuinely loved them and wanted a top up. So we have the lavender and rose. This one is just super floral and super feminine in my opinion. Then I also picked up another charcoal one. I feel like people wouldn't reach for charcoal as their first choice, but guys, if you haven't tried this scent, I really recommend it. It is so fresh smelling. And the last scent I got a top up of is the citrus and herbal musk scent, and this is definitely my favorite. I've actually heard of a lot of women who say that their husbands love this scent, so I guess any of these could be unisex if you wanted them to be, but I would say this is not as feminine as some of the more floral scents that they have, I guess. If you guys haven't heard of Native, they are paraben, sulfate, and aluminium free, as well as vegan and cruelty free, which of course we love. And I feel like after I apply it under my arms, I don't feel like sticky or wet, which is perfect because I don't think anyone really wants to feel that. And Native actually also has some other products too. They don't just do deodorants. They also have some body washes and toothpaste available for purchase as well. And something that I found really cool is last year, Native actually donated over $2 million worth of product to Hope and Comfort, which is a non-profit organization that help provide confidence and health for people in need. Normally, a pack of 3 Native deodorants would cost you $36 USD, but if you want to use my link and my code, which is on the screen and in the description box below, you can get a pack of 3 for $24 USD, which is a saving of 33%. And if you did want to try out their other products, like their toothpaste or their body wash, you can also use my code to save you 20% off those as well. Thank you again to Native for sponsoring this video, and I'll get back to you guys when those baked oats are ready. Timer just went off, so we're gonna leave this for a second and check out the oats. The jumper just keeps going off and on today because I just get chilly and then I get too hot and then I get too cold. It looks like an actual cake. Smells incredible. I feel like it's still very liquidy underneath. I think I'm gonna leave it for a little bit longer. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for a bit longer and check on it later. This looks so funny because I put it in a bowl so I could carry it because the glass is so hot, but this is what it looks like. I left it in for another 10 minutes. Obviously, you don't have to leave it in as long as I did. I just wanted to make sure it was fully cooked. Maybe it's a bit overcooked, I don't know. But it looks honestly really good. Oh, that sounds so good. Yum! It's still very like mushy inside. Like, I think I expected it to be a little bit more like cake, and it's definitely more oatmeal-y. Honestly, there's a lot here. I usually only eat a third of a cup of oats, and this has a whole cup of oats in it. So I don't think I'll be able to finish this. It just kind of tastes like oats, to be honest. I like the crispy top though. I think I would like to try it with berries in it because I think that would add a lot of flavor, but I would recommend. Definitely a bit more effort than a normal breakfast, but kind of fun. Little update, I just finished editing or doing the main edits to my weekly vlog. I just need to do the little intro at the start and add a Bible verse. I also just finished this thumbnail for my weekly vlog and it is 11:15. So I'm gonna try and finish the rest of this video by 12 and have it scheduled to go up at 5 p.m. today. And that will be my biggest job of the day done, which is incredible. So let's continue smashing this out. Update. I'm on my lunch break, eating a leftover burrito bowl, watching some YouTube, just chilling out. Also finished the video. Now I'm just waiting for it to export, so very glad that is ticked off my list. Now that I've finished that video, I think I'm gonna head on a walk and then get into some more work. Gotta pick out some activewear. We'll go with the green shorts, green sports bra, and white top. Outfit change done. Wearing these little green bike shorts. Some of my favorites because they have the little pockets on the side so I can put my phone in there and not have to hold on to it or like tuck it into the waistband of my shorts. I'm wearing my normal Puma runners. I think I'll just do like a 30-minute, like 3K-ish kind of walk. I just want to walk kind of slowly and enjoy being outside. It's just more of a mental thing today, not really a physical thing. It's just such a nice way to break up my day, get some movement in, get some sunshine when I work from home and sometimes just don't really leave my house much. Let's go. Just finished my walk / jog. I'm all red faced now, look like a tomato. Just got some ice water though I was listening to Tori D. Simone's podcast called Manifest. I really like it. It's just kind of like you're catching up with a friend every time you listen to it each week. She also talks about books a little bit, but a lot of her stuff is just super like productive, motivating, just little tips and tricks that can improve your productivity and stuff. It's more of just like a fun listen to me, but I'm just gonna chill for a bit, drink my water, and then get into some more work. Update, we showered, we're fresh. I think I'm gonna fake tan tonight as well before I go to bed. I always hate the lighting in this kitchen. It really just is not the most flattering thing, but what you gonna do? I'm now in the kitchen, about to start making dinner, water, got the circle sitting on the toaster. That's probably a safety hazard. Oh well. Bunch of my ingredients here, bunch of spices. Did I say I'm making butter chicken? I make this like all the time. It's a pretty simple recipe. I have this recipe book that my mum made for me. It's just a display folder full of all the recipes that she used to make for the family while I was living at home growing up. So like all of those classic like home cooked meals. So now I can make them for myself and of course Liam as well. And this is one of my favorites. So I'm gonna get this going. Liam will be home from work soon and we'll have dinner. That's basically it. And then tonight I think I'm just going to keep editing because I have a really busy day tomorrow and probably won't get a lot done. So I've got to make the most of it. But I'll show you guys the finished product once I'm done. This looks not good at all. But I promise you it tastes absolutely incredible. But yeah, I mean curry isn't the most aesthetic thing, but it tastes great. I promise. Now 7:45. I'm putting the computer away and finishing my work day. I think I'm just gonna fake tan and then read. It sounds like the perfect night to end my work day. I'm now in bed in my huge fake tan shirt. Do you guys always wear the same thing when you fake tan and then you go to sleep? This is a men's t-shirt that I've owned for like years and years. It's from Kmart. It's like a 3XL. Got it on sale for like $4. It's so comfy, but it is my designated tanning outfit. Very glamorous, very beautiful. But it is 8:15 and yes, I am already in bed. This is pretty normal for me. I'm usually in bed around 8 p.m. and then I just read until I get tired enough to fall asleep. So this is tonight's read. I only just started it last night. I'm like 10 pages in. I have heard so many incredible things about this book. I feel like I've never seen it rated less than like 4 or 5 stars on Book Talk or BookTube. My favorite booktuber, Noelle Gallagher, literally raves about this. She has a tattoo from this book, like something that like references this book. So I have been very intrigued. To be completely honest, just reading the back of it, it doesn't sound that interesting to me, but literally everyone loves it. So I'll have to read it and see what I think, and I'll give you guys an update in a future vlog, I'm sure. But thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and seeing a more like in-depth view at what I get up to each day. Like I said, each day is a little bit different, but it is kind of fun to do these daily vlogs every now and again. So let me know if you want to see more of these, just kind of sporadically, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.